It seems like most couples these days are opting to save the $5,000 to $10,000 and not hire a professional planner, but they just make the decision and then they're just like, well, all done with that. But wait, there are a few things that you need to do so that your wedding planning doesn't turn into a miserable hot mess for you. Hey blushing brides, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome and congrats on your engagement. I'm Kyle James and I used to be a wedding planner, and now I make all sorts of wedding planning videos and wedding planning tools, helping brides just like you to plan extraordinary weddings and actually enjoy the journey to the altar. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some very valuable things that you need to do if you are going to be your own wedding planner. I think the best way to do this is to explain what a professional wedding planner actually does, and then tell you the tips and tricks for how you can either make up for that or how you can create that thing in your wedding planning process without hiring a pro. The things that I'm gonna cover are all things that will make your wedding planning process easier and much more enjoyable. But before we get into that, I want to let you know that the Bride Society is officially open and accepting members now. Oh my gosh, I've been working on this for so long and I am so ecstatic to finally share it with you. If you've been following my channel for a while now, then you've definitely heard me talk about this, but the Bride Society is my full suite of wedding planning tools. I am going to go more in depth on what it includes throughout this video, but I just want to give you a high-level overview really quick of what is included in the Bride Society membership. The membership's going to include the Unveiled Ultimate Planner workbook, the Be Your Own Wedding Planner e-course that walks you through the entire wedding planning process step by step, a community where you can discuss all things wedding with me and the other bride members, super valuable bonus content from me every single week, as well as exclusive vendor discounts and more. I will put the link to the Bride Society in the description below, so after this video, head over there and check it out. Okay, let's get into the video now. So the first important thing that a professional wedding planner does is keep you organized. They help you stay on task and get everything done on time. So the best thing you can do for this when you are planning your own wedding is to create a wedding planning binder. As I mentioned, the Unveiled Ultimate Planner does just this. It will keep you organized, gives you all of the worksheets so that you know that you have your bases covered, you're asking the right questions, you're not missing anything in contracts, you're finishing checklists on time, etc. All of that is included in the Unveiled Ultimate Wedding Planner. I also have an entire video on creating your wedding planner binder, and I will link that in the description below. So you do get the Unveiled Ultimate Planner when you sign up for the Bride Society membership. It's really cool. You just sign up and you instantly get access to download the full 160-page planner. The next thing that a professional wedding planner will do is to educate you on all of your options for each vendor and for each situation, based on their planning experience. Honestly, there's so much information out there that you really don't need a full service planner to find this information anymore, but it can be a little bit overwhelming to digest an entire internet worth of how to plan your wedding content. But don't worry, I have an easy solution for this as well, and that is the Be Your Own Wedding Planner course. So I've put together everything that I've learned being a wedding planner for the past 5 years and packaged it all up simple and clear for you in the Be Your Own Wedding Planner course. Guys, I am so excited about this. I've literally been working on this for like years now. So the course is broken down into 26 modules. Within each module, there is a lesson on your options that are available to you for each vendor and then how to go about booking them. And then I also include my relevant YouTube videos to that lesson. So in each section, you'll learn exactly how to do it, and then you'll have all of my relevant YouTube videos for the tips and tricks and any inspiration that you could want for that section. You'll definitely have everything that you need to ensure that you're making the perfect decisions for your big day. So this, coupled with the worksheets from the Unveiled Ultimate Planner, will give you like everything that you could need to know and need to write down to plan your wedding. And like I mentioned, the Be Your Own Planner course is included when you sign up to become a Bride Society member. The next huge benefit to hiring a professional wedding planner is they can get you exclusive deals and discounts. So when I was a wedding planner, I had tons of vendors that would give me like 10 to 20% discounts just so that I would continue to bring my clients to them. But don't worry, I've got you covered here too. As a Bride Society member, you get access to my exclusive deals and discounts page. So I already have exclusive discount codes for things like Birdie Gray bridesmaid dresses, for Kate Aspen wedding favors. They're my favorite wedding favors. They're so cute. I have a few other wedding favors places in there, plus florists, some online florists for you as well. Oh my gosh, and there's so much more to come here. And another cool thing as a Bride Society member is you can request discounts for places that you are shopping. So like I mentioned, vendors love to give wedding planners discounts so that they keep continuing to bring them clients. So if there's a place that you want to shop, I can reach out to them and get a discount code so that I can share it with all of the other Bride Society members as well. The next very valuable service that a wedding planner provides is giving you someone to talk to about your wedding planning stuff who actually gets it. A wedding planner is someone you can ask questions to and brainstorm ideas with, and they just really understand the whole wedding planning process and they know what you're going through. As you work through the Be Your Own Wedding Planner course, there are places for you to leave comments and specific questions on every single vendor. And something even better that you get with the Bride Society membership that you can't get from just hiring a wedding planner is the Bride Society community. It's full of amazing other brides just like you who are going through the same thing that you're going through, who are there to love and support you along your planning journey. It's just so nice to have somebody who really gets what you're going through because they are in the same exact position as you. There are already some really awesome brides in there who are helping each other out, and I am so excited to have you in there as well. And honestly, I think you get even more benefits by becoming a Bride Society member than you do by hiring a full-service wedding planner. If you are already a Bride Society member, head over there and check out the bonus content for this video. I have a few more tips for you that are going to make a major difference in your planning process if you aren't going to hire a professional planner. And if you're not a member, become a member and head over there and get those bonus tips as well. I'll see you ladies over there. Happy planning!
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving